Want real TikTok followers? First, use this simple strategy and watch till the end. First of all, you open the TikTok app. Then here you can see my follower 1102. Here you can see. Then you click the home page option. Then click the search option. Here you search the Ustad G. Then here you can see the users option. So simple click on it. Then here you can see to this ID 4,500 followers. So simple click on it. Then here you can see the following list 29. So simple click on it. After click it, here you follow all 29 following. Here you can see. Then go back. Here you can see my profile 1102 followers, 1104, 1105. You can see here the followers increasing start. Here you can see just no followers, just no. Here you can see after 30 minutes or 1 hours you back home. Then again search the Ustad G ID. Here you click the users option. Again open this ID. Again unfollow all 29 following. Unfollow. Here you can see after unfollow again follow. Here you can see again follow all 29 following. So here you can see this is the method. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks.